By the end of this video, you'll understand what makes Perplexity different from traditional search and other AI tools, how to use its most powerful features, and the most advanced techniques that will transform how you search and research online. Let's dive straight into Perplexity. For those of you who are familiar with traditional search engines, Perplexity offers a clean, modern interface, but with AI-powered capabilities that take search to the next level. Think of Perplexity as your AI-powered search companion. It searches the web in real time and uses AI to give you clear, direct answers with references to back everything up. One really awesome thing about Perplexity is that you can start using it completely for free, and even without an account. And you can even remove sources all to your own taste and liking. You can search videos and images. And then you can start digging into the material, start chatting with the content. Perplexity provides a really powerful way of searching and researching. But beyond this, we quickly move over into the paid plan for a lot of the functionality. Perplexity also offers Perplexity Pro for all American public servants with a .gov email. So if that's you, you should definitely make use of that offer. Let's jump into the Pro features. First things first, Perplexity offers a range of models and choices for the source material that you want to search. And that's incredibly powerful. Let me show you how to choose the right search mode for your specific needs. We can choose between Auto, Pro, R1, and O3 Mini. And this is actually the US hosted version of the DeepSeek R1 model. In addition, you can choose the O3 Mini for reasoning as well. These new reasoning models from OpenAI and DeepSeek, they take longer to process, but the results are really worth the wait. A less known capability is actually to control the models behind the Pro search. So simply go to your settings, and then you can switch to, for instance, Gemini 2.0 Flash. You can also set the sources for your search to, by default, obviously searching the web, but you can also specify that you want to do scholarly and research papers or including social discussions and opinions. That would be sources like Reddit. Perplexity lets you save and organize your searches into collections. Think of these as research folders that keep everything organized and easily accessible. Spaces are in essence collaborative research hubs where you can work with AI on different topics. They're like chat rooms focused on specific subjects, allowing you to build knowledge over time. So let's create a new space. This one will be for tech stocks and market insights. A space for tracking the latest updates on technology stocks, market trends, and financial insights. And then we can specify custom instructions and also which AI model we want to use. In this case, we can probably do 3.5 Sonnet. Let's just add in some instructions here. Please provide concise and data-driven financial insights on tech stocks, including market trends, earning reports, and economic indicators. And we can also define that it should always use reputable sources. And lastly, we want to maintain a professional tone and prioritize accuracy. So within the space, the AI will remember your previous conversations, and you can even add images, documents, and links to this collection. A pro tip here is to create separate collections for different projects or topics to keep your research organized. The Discover section is where you can explore popular searches and trending topics. You'll find everything from breaking news analysis to deep dives into specific topics. I use it as a daily news digest, and you can personalize it to your interests. You should definitely check out the mobile app, which offers nearly all the desktop features. I find it particularly handy as a research assistant on the go, and a pro tip is to use the voice search when you're multitasking or need quick answers on the go. For those of you on Android, you should definitely try out the latest assistant feature that was launched in January. This assistant can answer general questions and perform tasks on your behalf, such as writing an email, setting a reminder, booking dinners, and more. It's also multimodal, meaning you can ask it questions about what's on your screen, as well as have it open your camera and see what's in front of you.
Could you explain what Duke meant in this passage?
Can you play me an old interview of Steve Jobs where he talks about Japanese quality? It's funny, the group of people that do not use quality. Take me to a nice coffee shop nearby.
Which coffee shop would you like to navigate to? Some popular options nearby include Sightglass Coffee, Revel Coffee, and Phil's Coffee.
Unfortunately for me, it's currently not available on the iPhone, so I haven't actually been able to try it out myself yet. Jumping back into Perplexity, the library is where you'll find your chat history or threads history, but this is also where you can create your own pages. Think of pages as curated pieces of content that you can modify and put together as you like. You can store them to your spaces, share them, or even publish them to the public. I honestly haven't used this feature much yet myself, but I plan to dig deeper into this. And I definitely see some great cases for collaborative uses in teams accessing these knowledge hubs. Now that we've covered the features, let's dive into maybe the most powerful aspect, in my opinion, deep research. Perplexity becomes even more powerful when you combine search with the most capable reasoning models. The latest reasoning models from DeepSeek and OpenAI will give you much better results to help you understand the research better. This combination is particularly valuable when you need to synthesize complex information from multiple sources, identify patterns and relationships in research data, or when you need to get detailed analysis of current events with historical context. Beyond academic research, you can use it for competitor and market research, and I've even used it successfully for prospecting. There are a ton of real-world cases that you could do with Perplexity, so I would highly recommend you try it out yourself. Find 20 videos on quantum computing, organize your results in a table with a link and a short description of what each video covers. Give a rating based on what people are saying to help me prioritize my time. Now these queries might take longer, obviously, since we're doing deep research, so you can even do desktop notification when done. So now we can see that we got our table format with the rating, and then we can easily go watch that video on YouTube if we want to. So lastly, we can build on the project space idea we had earlier around research into the tech industry. Now, I still want to do the deep research, and then let's do a bit more an advanced one. Research the top 20 publicly traded companies that are well positioned to benefit from AI tech growth. Include their main AI initiatives, recent quarterly performance, market cap, and analyst ratings. Create a comparison table ranking them by AI revenue potential, current AI capabilities, and market position. Add links to their latest earning calls discussing AI strategy if available. So again, we can see that we're first doing this wide research across all the sources. You can also click here to view those sources if you want to. So you can follow each of the steps, and then finally we get the output down here. And again, you can also show the sources and exclude sources if you want to from the material. And there you have it. You now know everything you need to get started with Perplexity and take your research game to the next level. If you want to dive deeper into AI tools and techniques, check out this Getting Started with Claude guide that we just released. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community at GritAI Studio. Drop a comment below with your favorite Perplexity feature or any questions you have. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.